What is good? Aries Finest Gang. Okay, y'all. Okay, false alarm. I had to check all the stuff, make sure nobody was in here because y'all know social anxiety is a bitch. But what the fuck is good, Aries Finest Gang? I missed y'all.
What you want? I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel.
Basically, y'all, this is about to be a trucking vlog. Just look how they came through for the girls. They can barely close. Ooh, there go me. Go money. Go money. Go girl, bye. So I took the liberty of grabbing me some, y'all. And when I say some, I mean some, y'all. I grabbed me some. I love me some complimentary stuff, y'all. When y'all see complimentary stuff, y'all grab it. Grab it. Grab it. But only if you need some. Obviously, I'm a woman, so one day I might need these. You know, these are a good backup, you know. Mind your business. I took them because I'm a woman and I'm gonna need them one day. So this ain't just going completely to waste. Also, let's get into this, y'all. This is not a sponsored video, but yo, don't mind my egg roll and my mama's in the bag. But this right here stays cold for 80 hours cold. Let me tell y'all something. I left this in the truck for 2 days. I came back, it was still a little ice in my stuff. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It was still a little ice in there and my drink was still cold. Y'all, go grab y'all one. This is not sponsored. Go grab y'all one. Y'all know when a black person say something, they put something in the camera, they not getting paid for it, then they telling the truth. Go grab you one. I look so fucking dusty. But y'all, I'm so tired of sitting in this one damn spot, y'all. I have been here for about 7 hours. I'm ready to go. I done got my complimentary stuff. I'm ready to go. I'm hungry. I thought I had enough snacks in the truck, but I don't have enough snacks in the truck. I know my blanket is tired of me having her on me. I need some food. I need some motherfucking food. I need some more to drink. I have a Gatorade. I have 2 Gatorades. I have a red one and a blue one. Yeah, I have a red one and a blue one. Y'all, no, I need something hot on my stomach. Like, I did have food, y'all, but it don't went warm. Well, it don't went cold because I've been here for 7 hours. I took a nap, woke up. I'm still fucking here. I'm still here. I'll see y'all at the next location. Okay, a couple of my friends wanted to know where I showered at on the road. So, let me show y'all. So, you walk in. Well, first of all, you walk in and you pay for that shit. And then, for that, you got a toilet in here, tissue, that, and then you got the shower. Wear your shower shoes in the shower, please, y'all. Please and thanks. And yeah, that's it. I'm just showing my collarbone for this one. But make sure y'all have your own towels too. I mean, if you ain't got your own towel, that's okay. That's fine. Just ask for some fresh new ones. Bye. Yes, sir. That's how you take a shower. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. next fucking day, y'all. It is the next mother freaking day. I gave y'all a little sunset view of today. I also wanted to tell y'all, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna tell y'all. I just said that like I had some really important stuff to tell y'all. Y'all, I had water, but I don't know where it went. So we finna dry do a ponytail, and let's just hope it come out really nice today. If not, I really don't care. I'm using the green eco style, honey. Yeah. Get into it. Oh Lord, don't get into it, y'all. I slept really nice. I had good dreams. I bet y'all was smiling. I bet y'all was smiling through my dreams, honey. I hope y'all was smiling through y'all little dreams. I don't know why I'm putting gel up under there because we don't even do that, honey. Y'all, it's gonna be wash day as soon as I get back in. Put my hair down. That's what it's giving. So I'm about to get something to eat in a second. In a hot, quick second. I'm saying it, but I'm not even really hungry. Like, I ate before I took my nap. My nap wasn't as long as usual, which is like splendid for me. If y'all don't know, now y'all motherfucking know. When I say I'm taking a nap, I really be going to sleep. Cause I don't be getting rest at night. I get my rest in the morning. I need to change my schedule over. Like, I need to put some lip gloss on my lips too. Y'all ain't saying nothing about my motherfucking legs. I need to put some lip gloss on my lips. I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. Be sure to be back, y'all, because I'm coming to y'all with a traveling vlog soon. I'm gonna be y'all gonna see. It's another traveling vlog. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this trucking vlog as much as I did. I really wish I could have showed y'all more behind the scenes, but yeah. Love y'all. See y'all next time. Bye. Okay, now I'm gonna actually wash my hands and look. This is a nice touch to the bathroom. So dope. Bye. Bye. That concludes second vlog. See y'all next time.
They tryna change you, be who you be. Get to them bad, what the fuck do you think?